Today we are here at the Tesla Sayan Center at Wardenclyffe, and we are celebrating Nikola Tesla's 170th birthday, and we're celebrating it with a big community expo. So the first thing that I think is a highlight is if you're part of a family, you have to get over to the kids zone. We have a stage over there. The highlight act is Sam's Weather School. Sam is amazing. She's our main act over in the kids area. She's surrounded by like every museum you can think of. That's where the aquarium is, the children's museum, we have the Cradle of Aviation, we have face painting, so that area is a must. And then the more serious area down on the other side is for the growing engineers or the longtime engineers. We have radio guys over there. We have robot guys over there. We have the history experts on Tesla over there. So like that's on that side. And then right here in the middle is kind of fun too because this is where all the food is. We have a little bit of everything for everybody here, and it is all for some very important reasons. So first and foremost, it's a way for us to support the mission of the organization, which is to educate the global community about the importance of Nikola Tesla. So here on Long Island, one of the most important scientific figures was doing some of his groundbreaking work. So the organization has been together for many years, but it took a lot of effort to get this far. And the way that they were able to do it was with the kind donations from people literally across the world. So that was the start. We're going to have educational programs on this site. We're going to have camps. We're going to have ways that people can come and tour the grounds on their own. In the fall, we are opening the first building, the Sayan Center, and it will be a place that we can have educational programming where kids can come and see some first exhibits to get excited about what Tesla did. And it will also be a place that we can have educational classes, people from other parts of the community come together and meet. Part two, to me, is really the crown jewel, so to speak, which is to restore the main lab. And there'll be further spaces in there for conferences and for people to interact and engage and discuss with one another. But at the same time, we very much need to keep it in the legacy of what Nikola Tesla would want. And most important, we want to use his legacy and his excitement about science to excite the future generation of innovators.
It looked like a jungle of crumbling concrete and broken promises for far too long. But it is again a place where dreams can become real. And because of Tesla fans like you, his legacy is finally having a comeback. No one was a bigger dreamer than Nikola Tesla, but today, the Tesla Science Center is in our hands. We are the dream team that gets to decide how we can serve the community. Long Island, New York, the nation, the world.